Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Trapped in the South. Welcome to the beginning of my Houston Hill House series. I'm probably gonna have maybe like 3 or 4 videos about this. This is the weekend of one of my good friends, Creep's wedding. Um, she actually lives in Austin, Texas. If you have seen the Austin vlog. But she got married in between, I want to say Harrison County and Conroe, Texas, which is like the outskirts of Houston. Her family invited the entire wedding party to stay at the Hill House plus Farms. I'm going to call it a compound, okay? Other people might call it something else, but for me to sleep at night, I'm going to call it a compound. And just shout out to the Brown family because they know how to live it up. This place was beautiful. Just take a look at this gorgeous bathroom. Like, what? JMN was not able to come with me, but we were actually staying in the house with the family, which is just um, the utmost, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, status. Like, just so sweet and so kind. I mean, they had like little snacks for your bed. Look at how the sun is hitting this bed. Like, I'm already a fan of the white on white on white. I love the B-board. I love like the little antique type things. I mean, the TV, which I don't even think I ever turned in, but I mean, just like the small details, I just think are so beautiful. It's like they did not forget one step. I mean, down to the first aid kit and the bug spray. I mean, that is a winner if I've never seen one. Check out this cute little mini fridge, and I have my bridesmaid's dress hanging up and a personalized note. I am a sucker for personalized anything. Um, just it's simple but classic and beautiful all at the same time. Um, Now for the people who are saying, "Hey, Alisa, what kind of house is this?" I'm going to say, "Hey, over time they have rebranded." That is what I'm going to respond. That's my response. And there was no anything that reflected any negative anything in this beautiful property. So that is what we're going to go with. The staff was fantastic. I mean, I literally had someone meet me at my car, carry my bags upstairs. Do you see this stitching? I'm doing this to everything in my house. Everything is going to have this white on white stitching. I already have that for my girls' room. Like their pillows are monogrammed, the guest pillows upstairs are monogrammed. But I never thought about the white on white. I cannot wait to do it. Um, Also, I was a little anxious, so I decided to do some meditation. It had been a long drive, so I'm gonna let Cody bring us into meditation.
It's okay if you are stressed or anxious or just highly alert. It's probably the reason that you've tapped into this meditation. So I'm glad that you've joined me, and I'm glad that you've dedicated even just 5 minutes to yourself today. Let's take a nice deep breath in together, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Let's do that one more time. Nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Now, let your breath go where it wants. Start to follow that inhale and that exhale. And whenever you get distracted or get lost, just come back to that breath without any sort of judgment. Our anxiety can really be that roadblock in between us transitioning into a space of calm. You've got to-do lists, you've got responsibilities, you've got a million things going on in your head. most of the time that anxiety is driven by our fear that we can't do it or that we're not going to get it done. And so in this time that we're sharing together, let's give ourselves permission, let's give ourselves the authority to trust ourselves. Let's recognize that we have literally overcome or gotten through 100% of the challenges and the tasks and the responsibilities that life has thrown at us. And even if we've failed, we've gotten back up and we've tried again. And even if we've failed again, we've gotten back up and we've pivoted. So trust yourself, trust your ability to get things done, and let that sense of trust calm your fear, calm your anxiety, and give yourself permission to just be right here, right now. Keep that focus on the inhale and the exhale. Feeling your breath come in and out of your body. And at your own pace, take a nice deep inhale through the nose and an exhale out through the mouth. Let's do that one more time. Nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Return to that normal pattern of breathing. Let it go where it wants to. And when you're ready, open your eyes, let in the light, feel the benefits of this meditation. Trust yourself, you're gonna get it done. Stay calm. I promise you that you're gonna get whatever you need to get done. Promise. That being said, thank you so much for practicing with me. Have a fantastic rest of your day. My name is Cody Rigsby. Bye, boo.
So after that I was brand new. Here I am with my little pose being silly. And then I'm about to get ready to go explore. So thank you guys for watching the first video, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.